hear the voice of joy. The voice of gladness. The voice of the bride and the bridegroom. And the voice of them that shall say, praise the Lord of hosts, for the Lord is good and his mercy endureth.
Happy holidays, everyone. Hope you enjoy food, family, and everything else. I wanted to show you guys what I wore for my flight today. So I have on these leggings from Amazon. My socks are Uggs. Are these Ugg socks or these are Uggs, right?
Those are the Birkenstock.
Birkenstock, yeah. Okay, these are Birkenstock socks. And then I have on my Reeboks here. Super cute. And I love the gum, the bubble gum sole on the back. And then I have on my jacket here from Zara. I got it like a couple years ago. And then this t-shirt is just a regular H&M t-shirt. My Tory Burch, I don't know if you guys can see that. My Tory Burch earrings, and then I have on my Versace glasses. So yeah, guys, travel days have to be, they gotta be really comfortable, but they gotta be cute as well, because I don't like, neither me or Kim, we do not like going traveling and stuff like that and looking crazy.
Hey guys, so it's Kim. No, I'm just kidding. But hey, that's my Instagram, YouTube girl voice. Not cool, but whatever. I actually decided to kind of wear something that was, you know, super cute, like Keyondra said. But I'm wearing my Ugg slides. Y'all, these are hard to travel in because they are slides and they're slippery on the inside. If you've ever owned a pair of Uggs, you know that Uggs, you know, the boots or whatever, they're slippery on the inside because of the fur. So be careful of those. The best socks that I've seen, that I've had that works better with them, are actually the Ugg socks, because they're wool. And so they create, like, I guess that kind of different, not friction, but, you know, it's just, it doesn't allow for a lot of slip. And then I got these. I remember I did like years ago, a campaign with a brand. I can't even remember the name of the brand, y'all, but I really liked these leggings at that time. I really couldn't fit the leggings all that well, but I'm able to fit them a lot better now. So I pulled those back out. So I'm going to try to find out what the name of the brand is. I don't even know if they're still working, or in operation. I think I did the, campaign for them back in like 2017, 2018. Like, it was that long ago. And then I'm wearing Adidas socks, just these regular Adidas socks. I really love tube socks because they're super comfortable. And then this sweater I got earlier in the spring, this year from H&M. Y'all, you know I love H&M for like sweaters, basics, and stuff like that. This one's really cute. It looks like a cashmere sweater. I think it's like acrylic or cotton or something like that. But yeah, and then I wore my coat. I have just like a coat. It's kind of warm here. It's supposed to be cold, I think, for Christmas. Either way, my coat goes with my my Christmas look. We're gonna commit. Y'all know I do that. And then I had a jacket on under that. But when we went through TSA, I was like, we're going to get rid of this jacket. But yeah, so I'm wearing my favorite Fendi earrings. And that is the look. That's the look. Nothing super special. I cleaned my hair the day before yesterday. And yeah, so this is what you have. It's going behind my ear. I'm going to curl it. And, probably do like a little short or something like that for you guys to see how I do it.
Someone
Hey guys, so this is what we travel with for our tech stuff. We have our external hard drive here. Then, well, Kim has her own one of these as well, but we both travel with these because it's very important, especially when you are a content creator. Then, of course, like for extra things like cell phone charger, we do our skincare and we bring our fans with us as well. Because, oh, I feel good, y'all. It's kind of warm. Say it again. Oh, yeah, we used it in the airport today. So, like, wouldn't have been able to had it not been charged. But, well, I guess they don't really matter because it's going to be charged. But either way, the charger is in here. So, if it was not charged, I have my charger in here with me. And I could have charged it because I have this case here where I can store all of these things in it. So yeah, again, we have the external hard drive here. We have
yeah, everybody needs that thing. Like
yes, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so easy.
Like Apple wants us to pay like $30
goodbye
for like more iCloud space.
Right.
And you know, we bought that for $30 and it's a one-time $30. And
yeah.
We don't have to spend any more $30.
Right.
Love it.
Well, there you have it. So, but yeah, so here's a charger for my phone. Here are my, here's my headset. And then I have my, my charger that my block. And then here's the cord, rather. The cord, not said charger here, but it's my cord for my fan. But here's my block and my cord for my phone. And then here's the cord for my toothbrush as well. Oh, let me show you guys this. Super, super cute. I got these for me and Kim, and then second time when we needed some more, she got these for me. Got one for her and one for me at first. Ours were about this color here, but now she got me this one, y'all. It's so pretty. Look at that. I'm trying to get it like against light or, oh yeah, you know what? Look at that, like, okay, yeah, she says to go in the bathroom. Okay, so let's see. Sorry. So, isn't this pretty, y'all? This is pretty. It's like a nice, creamy, milky, like, iridescent type, whatever. But it's a toothbrush, and it's super cute. Here's Kim's. It's black. And they... Noire, right? So, they open like this. It's by Philips. Y'all have to get one. It's super cute. And then... you take it out by like kind of pushing down, putting pressure down on the bottom part of the toothbrush, and then it comes out, and then you close it like that. So yeah, yes, I called for the car. So guys, that's super cute. And here I am in my favorite, I am so tired of Marriott and their bathroom mirrors. Oh my gosh. But okay, either way. So y'all, I'm in my favorite sweatshirt. Y'all, this is, oh my goodness, Die Hard fave. I got this from H&M a couple years back, and everybody's always asking me, oh my gosh, are you from Palm Beach? No, I'm from Shreveport, Louisiana, honey. What do you mean? But it's so comfortable. So comfortable and super cute, and I wear it with all my leggings and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, she's rushing me, y'all. Bye. Hey everyone, so we are on our way to dinner with our dad. Hi Kim. Hey. And so we're going to a place called Hillstone, and I want to do a quick fit check, which you can't really see like talking about, but I got this shirt from H&M, these pants from Cozy Earth. This is my Ralph Lauren belt, and I'm off. My look for today, I am just wearing this Zara t-shirt, these leggings from H&M. I have on my Nike socks and my Reebok sneakers. Okay, so this is what the finished look is like. I just kind of twisted and tucked the top in, and then I have on my green bomber jacket from Zara. It is so cute. Just something simple, chill, like we're going to breakfast, going to eat, but I still want to, going to breakfast, going to eat, going to the movies, but I still want to be cute. So, yeah. I'm always rushing, and Kim left me. So, I'm trying to hurry up and get downstairs because I'm late. Always late. Lord help me. So guys, we are headed to a movie. We're going to see The Color Purple. This is Mom and Kim. And yeah.
It's a molasses cookie.
Molasses cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Y'all, we love this hotel. They have like cookies, hot chocolate. They have hot chocolate right now. But we love their like hot chocolate and their cookies and things like that. But we really love the hot apple cider. Oh, so good. Guys, we made it. Not in time, but we made it though. So, you said it is in time? Mama said it is in time.
Thank you. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Thank you. Is it like? I don't know, because it doesn't even seem like it heats up.
Is that a blow dryer?
Yeah, it's that little popular one on Instagram and stuff. But they say it's not good for our hair. I really want to put this in my hair, but it's not.
Was that the cool feature?
Cold air. Somebody use this. Oh, man, this crap.
Oh yeah.
So do you see? Oh, you know what? I think they are blocking it from being able to get warm.
Who's it by? It's Prada? Oh, it's Prada. Prada.
Is this thing on? Hi, guys. So, Keyondra and I just got back from Dallas last night. And while we were in Dallas, we started kind of feeling a little weird.
We'll say that.
I got, started getting stuffy nose, sneezing, runny eyes, and stuff like that. And Keyondra even started getting chills. So we have spent today kind of trying to recover and figure out, like all of our medicines. I'm doing a hauls right now because my nose has been stuffy and all of that. And so I thought it was sinus. Our mom said that it's probably more because they have something going on out there. Not necessarily COVID, but something else. So we probably picked that up. So we're just resting and trying to enjoy the rest of our day.